Here's another tip for iPhone 16 users. Here's my iPhone 16 Pro. You can change the ringtone volume from the settings and volume buttons on 16 Pro Max and 16 Plus model. Let's correct the settings. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to the Sounds and Haptics option. You can see the ringtone and alerts sections. Here's the slider to adjust the ringtone volume. Move to the left side will decrease the volume level, and to the right side increase the ringtone volume. Also, keep enabled toggle change with buttons, and haptics I recommend always play. Now, when you are on the home screen or lock screen, increase or decrease the volume level using the volume button. As you can see, ringer level is at the top of the iPhone screen. I hope you corrected your iPhone ringtone volume level. Don't miss to like, share, and subscribe. And comment for more help.